Nabuhangasis. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and get immediate updates for all my new videos. Cunua info. Salamat fo. Meow. Meow.
Click and subscribe.
My American Boutique and Friends in America. Our fourth runner-up, gathering 91.39%.
37.
39% is no other than candidate lucky number 13, Miss Queen Bolo.
Mr. Pop.
Our fourth runner-up.
Okay. You can give the result to the winner. Dito na lang sa likod.
Congratulations, candidate number 13, our fourth runner-up, Miss Gay Universe Tonight 2020.
Is Mr. Lucio Bando.
No other than gathering 91.64% is candidate number 22. Congratulations, candidate number 22, Miss Christine Marie Coronel.
And for the second runner-up, that's Mrs. Lita Isguera and Mrs. Lita Isguera and Mr. Crispino Campo for the second runner-up.
Our third runner-up, she will receive 7,000 pesos in cash, plus Elegant Style Salon and Nail Spa Certificate.
Binigay mo na ba?
Yes, and sponsored ang ating American Boutique and Friends in America.
Okay, now we have second runner-up.
Our second runner-up, she will receive 10,000 pesos in cash,
A certificate from
Elegant Style Salon and Nail Spa.
with an average score of 92.53. Our second runner-up is finalist number 7.
Number 7, Miss Lars Pacheco. Our second runner-up, she will receive 10,000 pesos in cash, plus a certificate of Elegant Style Salon and Nail Spa. Congratulations, candidate number 7, Miss Lars Pacheco. And now, our first runner-up, Miss Gay Universe Tonight 2020.
to be awarded by Jaja Eswitas and Miss April Fernandez.
Si Davao pa na.
Our first runner-up, she will receive 15,000 pesos in cash plus a certificate of Elegant Style Salon and Nail Spa. Congratulations, gathering 92.77%.
Wait lang. Akit muna sila. Oh my gosh.
Our first runner-up, Miss Gay Universe Tonight 2020 is no other than candidate number 1. Candidate number 1. Kasi Bakulan, our candidate number 1. She will receive 15,000 pesos in cash, courtesy of American
Number
Boutique
16.
and Friends in America. Ladies, lahat ng mga mananalo, please remain at the stage dahil may pictorial tayo ng mga balikbayan. And the other ladies, thank you girls. Huwag din kayong aalis dyan dahil mayroon kayong sobre, ha? Para hindi na magulo. Diyan na lang kayo iaabot natin ang anyong sobre. Okay. Bigyan mo yung isa ng isang si
First runner-up. Okay.
Okay.
Sa akin na.
Our Miss Gay Universe 2020 tonight.
So, alam nyo naman ang tigatanay.
She will receive 25,000 pesos in cash. Plus elegant salon certificate, nail and spa. Our presenter, Mr. and Mrs. Basilio Gimalay, nandito pa ba?
Together with Miss Chrisley and Mr. Balwa.
Balwa, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Sir and ma'am, akita po tayo.
Okay, yung hindi matatawag, kung may pumunta riyan sa likod, aabutan kayo ng sobre, ha?
Yes, huwag na kayong bababa yung
And
hindi
we are requesting our 5 top ladies. When we announce the title holder, please stay on the stage because you will have a pictorial. Here it is!
Eto na! Eto na! Ang ating the new Miss Gay Universe 2020 in Tanay, garnering
A score of 93.53.
she will receive 25,000 pesos in cash.
Oh my God! Akin na yung 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is candidate number
She is so sweet!
16.
Sweet 16!
candidate number 16. Congratulations! Candidate number 16, Niña Marie Similata from Davao del Norte.
Ating mga producers, baba po sa hagdan, pwede po ba?
And all the committee of American Boutique.
Akit na kasi natatagalan sila. Baba po, baba. Yung mga yung